Hey guys, this is JediSal with Verbal Traders. This is my review for today. I took four trades, two losers, two winners. Uh, my losers were I stopped them before they hit my stop, so that was you know not as bad. And my winners, I actually hit R2, but because I was taking partials, um, overall it was an R2 on the money side. Even though it was very close to R2, my system round out the number, so it was below 50% of R2. So that's why it says 1 to 1. Anyways, so the trade I want to talk about is this one right here, NCLH, and let me I guess let me show you the tray. All right, so here's the tray. I noticed, so around, what time is it? Around 1 or so. I noticed that it was holding. Let me put a color here. It was holding the my 200 level right here, my 200 moving average right here and right here. So it didn't want it to cross it. So then I saw this kind of triangle kind of going, kind of wedging kind of type, like that. And when I saw this candle right here, I decided to take it to the long side. So I took it. Let's see, my stop loss was below that, below this area. And actually was a little bit below that. It was around here or so. And my entry point was right there. So when the next candle went up, I took a partial here. I took 25% right there. And since I'm training myself to hold, I decided to hold the other 75%. And it went down, and I didn't want it to get out, because I'm kind of training my mind to hold as much as I can. I never got stop out, right? It went like 2 cents. I almost got stop out by 2 cents right there, but it never got stop out, and then it popped. So then I was like, all right, that's it right there. You got three bounces out of the 200 moving average. One here, two, and then the third one right here. And this SPY, at this point, I believe the SPY was going down as well, but this thing was popping up, so that gives me more confidence. Then the SPY started going back, so I was like, all right, I'm in. It took a while, but towards the end of the day, it started popping up. It went back to my original exit point, my 25%. Struggled a little bit, so I went ahead and I took another, I believe another 25 of the remaining. And then when it popped again, I took another 25 of the remaining. When it popped right here, I was able to get it. Actually, I got it actually on the top. At that point, I got 50% out of my remaining, right? This is percentage of the remaining of the shares, not the total, not the total. That's why they don't, obviously, if you add them together, they're not gonna give you 100% because it's the remaining. And then when it started going out, and after that, I moved my stop, and once again, kind of trying to train myself to hold. So I moved my stop around there, 12:45, and then boom, I got stopped right there. 12:45. My entry point was 12:29, so I was about 15 cents above my stop price. I only have like, I don't know, like 1/8 of the original. Uh, I only had like 45 shares total. It was like 45, and my original purchase was 433, I think, according to my software. 433, and I got left like 45 shares. I bought my stop to 1245, and then I was hoping to continue because the SPY was very strong. It was going very high, but no, it went down, and I got stop out, and that's it. That was pretty good. I ended up the week. I ended up the week positive on the week, even though I did not. Oh, what did I do? I did not reach my goal. I got 71% on my goal, um, but that's okay. This week, I mean, for the last 3 weeks, it has been very hard to trade. I mean, I haven't seen anything good. I mean, I take trades that are not A setups, so like B setups, like. But because I'm training, I'm trying to learn, trying to change my mind. I'm taking trades, even though in deep in my heart, I know it's gonna fail. But I did pretty good this week. Actually, I made 71% of my goal, and everything. I'm hitting R3 more times now. So yeah, it's pretty good. All right, guys, that's the end of my review. Have a nice weekend. Bye.